Hello everyone, welcome to BIA Basic, which is our stock program where we will guide you on how to invest in stocks for beginners, the complete step-by-step guide. So if you are an investor who wants to find an easy to learn yet practical program to teach you everything about stocks, then you are in the right place. So this video series is created just for you. And what you will be learning in our BIA Basic, well, here you go. So this is what you can expect from our video series here. So from module 1, okay, we were talking about the introduction. And in this video, this is exactly what you will be learning. Yeah, like what is a stock, what is a stock exchange and everything. And then moving forward, there'll be a lot of other modules for you also, like financial statements, competitive advantage, business risk, valuation, and biggest mistake by investors. And then after you learn everything, we'll put it together and we'll reveal to you what is the criteria of a good stock. Okay, and then we end it with the truth about stock investing every beginners must know. Yeah, so this is a very short, very easy to learn program for you guys. All right. So what you can expect from BIA Basic. Okay, let me give you an overview. So number one here, the team here has already combined our decades of knowledge in this video series. Okay, and what we do here is we take what's useful and improve it further. And we discard the useless ones that don't work in real life. All right. Then, of course, there's no need. Okay. No longer you guys need to pay $2,000 to $10,000 for stock programs anymore. Yeah. Because everything you need to know is already in BIA Basic. And why I confidently say that? Because what you will be learning in my video here is the same as our BIA members. Okay, because I'm also in this industry. I'm in teaching programs also, and our members also, they were learning from previous organizations. So whatever they learn here, I also teach you here. Of course, okay, we already improvised and even updated. And what we teach our members is exactly what we will be teaching you here also. Yeah, and of course, we are giving out our complete stock program here for free. Okay, so again, don't need to pay thousands, okay, for stock programs already. If you are a beginner, you want to find a place, okay, you want to learn immediately, okay, on how to become a stock investor, this video is for you. Yeah, it's very practical, very simple, and easy to learn. All you need is just one day. Yeah, don't need to attend 3-5 days of programs, because everything here we will teach you straight to the point. Okay, straight to the point, no long stories. Okay, we just straightforward teach you how to be an investor. All right, so let's get started, of course, with module 1, introduction. Now, of course, before I teach, okay, I need to, of course, introduce who we are, okay, in case this is the first time you're seeing me. So my name is Daniel Lim, okay, I'm a speaker, trainer, and coach. Yeah, you can see there's a lot of events that I've been giving talks, okay, to the public and also to our members here, okay. So I have been a stock investor for 12 years already, and I'm in Better Investing Academy, okay, since 2023. Okay, we founded this company together, this community together, okay, since 2023, okay, and until today, 2024. And we have trained over 2,500 students already. Okay, and I'm now currently managing a 7-digit portfolio. Okay, I'm also a fund manager for private private funds. Okay, for a 7-digit portfolio here. So what is BIA? Okay, BIA stands for Better Investing Academy. We are a stock community that aims, okay, to help our members be better investors and build life-changing wealth. As you can see, okay, a lot of our events, this some of our members here. You can see in this photo, we have run a lot of events. This in KL, this in Singapore. In 2023, okay, when we have an event. This again in Petaling Jaya, Singapore again around this year. All right, and of course, our very recent event we've done in PJ also. So these are pictures, okay, of our members and some of from people from the public. Okay, so the next issue is, of course, okay, when you are watching this video, the question, of course, you should ask yourself is why you should listen to BIA. Because YouTube, there's so many stock gurus out there, right? And there are so many YouTubers also offering courses. But you know why you should listen to us? It's very simple. It's because of our results. Yeah, so you can see this is my results here of some of the funds that I'm privately managing. This is a 250% return in 2 years. Okay, this screenshot result is from Tiger Brokers. Okay, and another one, okay, a fund that I'm managing, okay, it's 92% return year to date. Okay, and not only my results, okay, let me show you some of our members' results also. These members here, 100% return since inception, 93% return year to date, 87% return since inception, okay, and 74% return year to date, and 125% return year to date. Okay, these are some, okay, very, very few, okay, some of the, we have a lot of results, okay, I'm sharing you a very few, okay, of our members' result here to show you, lah. Okay, so let's get started, and this is why you should listen to us, yeah? So let's get started with module 1. What is a stock? Yeah, so in simple terms, stocks or shares are units of ownership in a company. Okay, and Warren Buffett put it simply, shares are not mere pieces of paper. A lot of you guys maybe see stocks as an alphabet, a few alphabet in front or numbers in front. Then it's a price that jumps up and down, okay, on whether, it becomes green on the day or red on the day. No. Stocks is not just mere pieces of paper or a ticker. Okay, they represent part ownership of a business. So when contemplating an investment, think like a prospective owner. All right. So the stock market is where the stock investors connect to buy and sell stocks, which are shares of ownership in a public company. Okay, so what is a stock exchange? Simple. The stock exchange is a centralized location in a country where investors can buy and sell stocks of companies listed in that country. So in particular, let's say, okay, you are in Malaysia, there will be Bursa Malaysia. If you're in Singapore, there will be SGX. Each country, of course, they have their own stock exchange. The most popular ones in the US are New York Stock Exchange and even Nasdaq. All right. Okay. So perhaps, when you all started to invest, you'll be quite curious who invests in the stock market? Who are the participants in there? Now, generally, there are two. Okay, we can separate them, which is the institutional investors and, okay, the retail investors. Institutional investors are the ones with the big money, okay, with the billions of money for them to deploy. For example, like the pension funds, mutual funds, hedge funds, or even state funds, okay, but the countries. Each country, some of them, they have funds, okay, to help invest the country's reserve, okay. Then, of course, the more relevant ones is us, the retail investors. And of course, retail investors, there are many types also. Okay, they are what we call investors who literally just invest, really, they want to grow their money. And of course, they are traders. Traders are the ones, who uses the stock, okay, and treat it as a commodity, okay, to buy and sell the stock, okay, where they are focusing merely on the increase in price, okay, of the stock, and then they sell it for profit. They are what we call traders. And of course, they are gamblers, lah. Okay, they treat the stock market as a casino, okay, and then they just simply go and make a bet, okay, they speculate, okay, and then, hey, okay, if they goes up, they make money, okay, if they drop, they lose money, okay, so they treat it as a gambler, all right? So how to invest in stocks? Yeah, so personally, when you want to start, you want to get involved in stocks, all right, it's very, very simple. First, you need to open a brokerage account. There are many brokerage accounts available. Okay, feel free to just Google, okay, and find whichever you want. Then all you need to do is just go to the brokerage account, select the stocks you want, okay, find out what is the name, okay, and the ticker, okay, and the ticker of the company, just to double confirm if it's correct. Then you decide how many shares you want to buy. Normally it's how much of the amount that you want to buy. Let's say, okay, on a US stock, okay, you want to invest $1,000, okay, and the stock ticker, the price is $100. So you need to buy 10 shares, okay, to meet up your $1,000 budget. Yeah. Then you choose your order type, whether it's market or whether it's limit. Okay, I would highly recommend just use market. Market means what? Your order type means you just buy according to whatever's the market price. Okay, limit means you just, I want to buy at a very certain price. Okay, but then again, all right, limits, perhaps sometimes you never hit the price. So we just buy market easier. Okay, and when you buy it, and hey, you are now a stock investor. It's just that simple. All right. Okay, so how do we make money from stocks? Okay, there are many, many ways. Okay, but in Better Investing Academy, we only focus on one way on making stocks. Okay, and that is investing. Okay, so in this world, whenever you start to invest, right, you will realize there are many strategies. Okay, but we can separate them into two, which are trading or investing. Now, trading is just literally, the so-called more famous ones, okay, that you can see the chart. You see the candles, you see, okay, people predicting, okay, where the price will go based on the patterns, and based on volume and this kind of thing, and make decisions based on that. Investing is based on the fundamentals, based on the annual report, based on the performance of the company. So you can see between these two videos here on the left side here, this is a trader. Their decision making is based on the charts. All right. Okay. And then, all right, the on the right side, of course, is Warren Buffett. He analyzed the company by reading, the annual reports, the earnings, okay, and the and interviews by the management to come to a decision, okay, on which stock is the best to invest. All right. Okay. So, like I said, Better Investing Academy, we focus on become an investor. So, how do we make money from stocks? We buy and own stocks with the view as being first, being a part owner of a good business. Okay, and then we capitalize on the increasing stock value of the company, which will lead to the increase in stock price in the long term. Okay, essentially, this is what we do. Okay, and how we make money from stocks. But of course, the question of how to pick a good business, on whether we should continue to buy or hold, okay, everything will be slowly, okay, guiding you in this video series. All right. So this is how we make money, capital appreciation. Yeah. So let's say you invest in Microsoft, the business every single year keep on growing higher and higher. That means the business get better, the share value get better, and then sooner or later, okay, in the future, the price will also reflect, okay, the performance of the business, and that is how you make money. Okay, so essentially, when you become a stock investor, you must think, okay, or I would encourage you guys, okay, to think like you are building your own empire. Okay, you have a portfolio, you want to allocate your money, okay, into owning high quality stocks, okay, high quality growing stocks, and let them, okay, work, let them, build their business, let them get bigger, and then the share price, okay, will appreciate in the future. So you are building your own empire. Okay, so again, how to build your own empire or a good portfolio of stocks is to know okay, to know how to find good growing companies. That is essentially the skill you guys, okay, will learn in this video. And that is why it's very important for you guys, okay, to go through all of it. Okay, introduction already done. So the next one, okay, we will go through for you. Okay, please you need to understand the financial statement and then find out the competitive advantage of the company, understand what are the risks, okay, so that you can avoid investing in these kind of companies, okay, and of course know the valuation and many other things. Okay, so on the next video, all right, I'll be teaching you guys on the financial statement. Okay, I'll give you an overview. Okay, so see you in our next video. Okay, thanks for watching.